Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be upgrading these headlights on the 79L Camino G-Body to some LED ones. These things are basically you just plug in and play just like that. So first we're going to take off this bezel right here and then the surrounding chrome bezel. And then we're going to take this off, just a few screws, and plugs are the same as the old school. Part number on this thing is X002CT8G8V. I'll post that up on the video too, the part number. And let's go ahead and get started on this. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did the other one ahead of time, the other side. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and test them out again so you can see both of the headlights and the brightness of it, I guess. And then I will post a picture of comparison with the LED compared to the halogens that were there, the old halogens. Now I think they look pretty bright. I mean, for now, even though it's not dark, compared to the halogens, they look a lot better, a lot brighter. Then I'll do an evening test. I'll post that up right about now. Alright, so you guys saw a big difference. You saw the halogens, you saw the LEDs. I think they came out pretty good. I'm going to do a test drive at night, show you guys a little bit of video of that and see how it works. I also went ahead and these markers, the side markers, along with these ones, I changed those also with the LED bulbs. Those ones were just regular 2057 bulbs, and but they came with LEDs. Again, just take the old ones off, put the new ones in, and you're good to go. Nothing needs to be changed. So pretty happy with the product. I think it looks pretty good. Kind of gave it that newer look, I guess, and it will be a lot brighter, you know, at nights, because like I said, these things did not have headlights at first. I mean, it was just ridiculous. So happy with the product. Again, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.